Today we're focusing on a crucial element of your channel setup, the channel description. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your channel, we've got you covered. We'll show you how to create an engaging and effective description with the help of ChatGPT. First up, we'll provide a detailed prompt to help ChatGPT, our old buddy right here, understand what our channel is about. So let's use the example of a tech review channel, for instance, called Tech Savvy Reviews. So here's the prompt that I put together. So let's say, hi ChatGPT, I need help writing a YouTube channel description. My channel is called, like I said, Tech Savvy Reviews. We focus on the latest gadgets, offering in-depth product reviews, exciting unboxings, and up-to-date tech news. We upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please create a description that encourages viewers to subscribe and follow us on social media for updates. As you can see right here, we provided ChatGPT with this prompt that includes specific details about our channel's name, right here, Tech Savvy Reviews, then the content focus, which is this one, then the uploading schedule, then a call to action right here. So with this helps ChatGPT generate a relevant and compelling description. So let's see how this goes. So here's what ChatGPT currently comes up with. Pretty intriguing, right? These are all very, very detailed, I must say, with how it's structured. So yeah, this description is a great start. It's clear, engaging, and includes all the essential elements we discussed earlier. Now, with this, let's move on to refining it further to match our unique voice and style. While ChatGPT gives us a great foundation, personalizing it to match our unique voice and style is crucial. So let's ask ChatGPT once again to help us refine the description. So here's another prompt that I put together. So let's say, great start. Can you help us make this YouTube channel description sound more engaging and personalized for tech-savvy reviews? We want it to feel welcoming and exciting for our viewers. So let's see. And here is the revised description from ChatGPT as it's currently generating. So you can see right here, there are different wording this time. Yeah, so this version feels much more engaging and reflects our brand personality better. It's important to remember that while ChatGPT can generate excellent drafts, tweaking them to fit your specific tone and style can make all the difference. So let's go a step further and explore different ways we can customize our description by using more specific prompts. So here is one more example that I like to try out. So let's see how ChatGPT would respond with a different prompt that I put together. Now, the tone being more casual and friendly, as opposed to being more welcoming and exciting or engaging and personalized. So let's see. See, check this out. This casual and friendly tone, see right here, makes the description feel more approachable and relatable. So by using different prompts, ChatGPT right here can help us create a variety of descriptions that cater to different tones and styles. Whether you want to sound casual, professional, or enthusiastic, ChatGPT has got you covered. So if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. To maximize discoverability, we need to include relevant keywords in our description right here. Keywords are the terms and phrases that potential viewers use when searching for content like ours, just like this one. Now let's see how ChatGPT, right here once again, can help us identify and incorporate these keywords into our channel description. So we'll start by asking ChatGPT to suggest some relevant keywords based on our channel content. So here we go. So here's the prompt that I put together. Suggest some relevant SEO keywords for a YouTube channel. Once again, tech-savvy reviews that focuses on the content focus right here, just as stated earlier. And yeah, let's see how ChatGPT would provide us. So here are some keyword suggestions from ChatGPT right here. Oh, there's quite a lot right there. There, best tech products, trending gadgets, latest tech news, tech unboxing, so on and so forth. So these keywords are highly relevant to our content and will help improve our search visibility. Next, after this, let's ask ChatGPT to incorporate some of these keywords that, depending on which one do you think, it would gain traction more to our channel. So here's what I put together, the prompt right here. Using the keywords, so here's the list of them that I just picked from based on what ChatGPT had recommended for me. Latest gadgets, in-depth tech reviews, gadget unboxings, latest tech news, tech gear reviews, upcoming tech, and latest technology right there. So it says, rewrite our YouTube channel description to include these terms naturally. And yeah, here we go. So let's see how ChatGPT would generate this. So here we go. It's currently processing. Here's the SEO optimized description from ChatGPT. So here we go. So with this version, seamlessly integrates our keywords. So ensuring our description is both engaging and optimized for search engines. By using ChatGPT to generate and incorporate keywords, we ensure our channel description is optimized for search engines, making it easier for potential viewers to find us. And there you have it. Creating a captivating YouTube channel description doesn't have to be daunting. With the use of ChatGPT, right here, you can generate a solid draft in seconds and then personalize it to fit your brand.